Coolin' with the coolies and the coolie mob. Kids, you should come and kick it with the coolie mob. Chicks, cause it's the coolie mob. It's the coolie mob. Come and kick it with the coolie mob. We on some coolie mob shit.
Alright, so what was I up to? Alright, hey you guys, I'm about to do a DIY of my laundry soap. I'm gonna separate these. Okay, this is what I use for just everyday washing. I use the Sun, the Fresh and Clean laundry detergent, 2 of these and 1 of these, and then I use this because this is like OxyClean. It has a really fresh scent and it's nice. Well, actually this is a new formula that they did, so I'm just gonna try this and add it with this one. I grate up this Zote soap and I add it to the laundry soap, so I'm gonna put it all in here. This is my grater, and then when I get done, I'm gonna put it in these 2 tubs because it'll fill up these 2 tubs. And these 2 tubs are 16 cups each, and that's for that. The recipe that I did see for this had 4 of these and 1 of these, but I just did half a batch because I didn't know how much it was gonna be. It's totally a lot. It lasts about, I'll say 6 to 8 months, just this right here. So this is the other batch that I make for like really heavy duty dirty clothes. I use the whole box of borax, the whole box of super washing soda, the whole box of pure baking soda. I add the OxyClean again. This is the original batch, the one that I use and everything, the one that's the best that I recommend, whatever. And then I use the Zote soap grated up. I use the whole bar of Zote soap. And then I'm gonna add that in this batch, and then I'm gonna actually add it into this bin. This bin has already had a batch in it. I'm just adding more because obviously it's not filled all the way up, so I want to fill it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and start making this, and so you guys can see how I do it in the finished product. Okay, so right now I'm about to grate up my Zote soap. This is how the soap looks. It smells so good. But okay, I'm about to start grating my soap. I'm doing 2 separate buckets because I'm doing 2 different batches. This is the batch for really, really dirty clothes. This is the batch for just everyday wash. So I'm gonna start zoting my soap. I'm gonna start grating soap. And I'm gonna do it in the smaller one so it can be really fine. And yeah, good stuff. Okay, so I grated up the soap. I have not done this one yet. I'm tired. But okay, the soap looks like this. I'm gonna show the soap. Okay. So the soap looks like this after I grated it up. I grated it up really fine. You could do it in like a food processor or whatever like that if you want to be that extra. But yeah. Okay, so this is from Dollar Tree. All these products is from Dollar Tree, the bowl and everything. Not the Zote soap. I got the Zote soap from Big Lots. So this is from Dollar Tree, the Fresh and Clean laundry, whatever. And then this is from Dollar Tree, the Sun bleach. It says non-chlorine and it is color safe. It says it like everywhere, protection, color safe, and everything like that. And then the OxyClean is also non-chlorine and it's a base cleaner. So this is what I like to use for that. I'm just gonna mix this up. I have on gloves because I have nails and I don't want it to get under my nails. So I'm just gonna add this in here. And it like fills this whole bowl. Like I did not know it was gonna be this much. I'm just gonna mix after I put everything in there so it doesn't get all clumped up and stuff. And it can mix all thoroughly. 1 box of that. And remember, this is the laundry soap that I use every day. Mix this up. And then this is blue. I have no clue why this is blue, but it's kind of cool. It makes it have a nice color. So that's in there. Sun, color safe bleach. Mix this up. Mix. You could do it with a spoon, but I feel like it's just so much easier to mix like this because everything mixes so faster and then you don't gotta worry about trying to get a spoon. Okay? And then this is the last thing that I'm adding. Well, not the, yeah, it is the last thing I'm adding. Okay, so it comes with a scoop this scoop, and I just use this scoop when I do laundry detergent. Like I just scoop one of these, put it in there, perfectly fine. Adding this now. It smells so good. Even though they changed the batch, it still smells so good. The other one smells so much better though. Y'all better go to Dollar Tree and get it because I've been stocking up. Because before they change the formula, I gotta get all the old ones. Okay. It is mixed up really good. And I'm done with this batch, and I'm just gonna add these to the 2 containers. So by the time I start this, then you're gonna see these in the 2 containers that I added it to. And then this is gonna be on top so I can use it for everyday washing. I have a helper. Grating the soap is like the worst part. I'm totally gonna start doing it in the food processor, like being that extra.
I don't think it's extra.
Her method is like so good. This is better than what I was doing. Like, okay. This is gonna be the next batch. This batch is gonna be for really dirty clothes, like dirt, grime. I ain't even gonna say spots because spots I just use the plain Oxy cleaner. Do y'all see it right behind there? Right there is the Oxy cleaner. I use that for straight spots, stains. That $1 goes really far at Dollar Tree for real.
$1.07, boy.
Oh yeah, $1.07, you know, tax or whatever. But the Zote soap is 95 cents at Big Lots. Like it's 97 cents at Walmart, but you know I try to save my 2 cents. It used to be $1 at Walmart, but I saved my 2 cents and go to Big Lots. Okay. So I had help and I got the soap braided up. I'm gonna tell you guys how much this stuff costs. The Zote soap costs 95 cents, as you know, from Big Lots. But this is not from Dollar Tree. The 4-pound box from a baking soda costs $2.24. The super washing soda 3-pound box costs $3.97, and the Borax 4-pound box costs $4.47. I got all of this from Walmart, and then of course I got the Dollar Tree OxiClean. This is the best one, like the one with the white cap, you know. Well, they're changing the caps now, but the one I don't know, it just has like all blue inside. It smells so good. I just love sniffing it, but yeah. So it comes with a cap, just like the other one did. It comes with a cap. I mean, a cap? What is this?
Yeah. I don't know.
I don't know. It comes with this, and this is what I use as a measure, and I just put 1 scoop of this in here. It's not, it's just like the other one. So I'm just gonna start adding this stuff, and then I'm going to put it in there. You could turn the camera a little bit over there. I'm gonna put it in there, and this is where the other batch is. I'm just gonna add them. Yeah, you could look at it, cause I'm gonna mix this. Ooh, it smells so good. It's so pretty too. Oh my gosh. Like this stuff, I just can't wait so I can put it in like a glass jar and have it on top of my washer and dryer. And,
Babe.
Okay, I just want to Okay, look at my nail broke. I mean, came out of the thing. Okay, super washing soda, add the whole box. And while I was pregnant, I was doing this, and I was wanting to eat powder, and my wife didn't know why. But now that she's watching me do this, she understands why. I'm gonna add the baking soda now. It has some of it has clumps in it, but you can just mix it up. You know, always get the clumps out, whatever. It's not that hard. People be like, go in a ventilated room because all this. Like, no, I'm just praying. No, I just went. I just went all the way around. Alright, mixing it up. Okay, I'm gonna add the borax now. Whole box of borax. I got this bucket from Dollar Tree too. You know, Dollar Tree. Mixing it up. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. When you wash clothes with this, do not expect it to be all sudsy and soapy and all kind of stuff. You will not see any that many bubbles. It'll only be a little bit. I mean, the reason why laundry soap bubbles is only because they put a chemical in it to make bubbles. But this actually cleans your clothes. You know, it does clean. It does smell good. You know, if you do like the scent of like fresh scent, and it does have like a citrusy smell because the OxiClean is scented orange. But other than that, that's like pretty much it and how it smells. I mean, some people add like Downy Unstoppables and everything like that, but I feel like it doesn't really help. Dollar Tree does sell the like, I guess the Unstoppables, kind of like their version, their dollar version. But I don't know, it's just no point to me really. I mean, those do work somewhat. I mean, you have to use like the whole bottle of it in one batch for it to work, but it works. It's not worth it though. I mean, I feel like this is good enough. My wife loves the smell of this. I love the smell of this. We are perfectly fine. But you know, we just regular people. If y'all want to be extra and smell like, oh, I love my game, I love my tie, then go on ahead and do what you do. But yeah. Now this is exactly 2 batches of this in here, and it hasn't even filled all the way up. But this will last, I'll say 2 years.
Forever.
I'll say it'll last 2 years. I got 2 scoops in there. I only use this for extra dirty clothes. So if it's like, if we got throw up on and pooped on and everything like that, then I'm gonna use this. But if it's just regular wash, you just wore some pants and you smell like outside, then you just gonna get the regular wash. So I think this will last 2 years if you use it every day. Well, not every day. If you wash like regularly every week or whatever like that, it'll last. But if you don't even use it that often, then I don't know, it'll last forever then. But all right, you can show this over here. You zoomed in. This is the other. Did you see it?
Yeah.
This is the other washing powder that I use, the everyday one. I just told y'all I was gonna show y'all it in the bucket. I forgot it does not fill up this whole thing. It would have if I would have used 4 boxes of the Fresh and Clean instead of 2 boxes, but oh well. So that's my everyday. This is my regular, and that is my washing powder. And it is good for HE washers, front loaders, all of that. Just put it directly inside the washer. Do not put it inside the like little cup thing that you pull out, whatever like that. You know, just put it directly inside the water with the washer. But yeah, pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Coolie Mob out.
Coolin' with the coolies and the coolie mob. Kids, you should come and kick it with the coolie mob. Chicks, cause it's the coolie mob. It's the coolie mob. Come and kick it with the coolie mob. We on some coolie mob shit.